My job is to tackle with chronic and acute pain. I manage the pain with both conservative treatment as well as interventions.
I came here to get experience from Dr. Tariq Tramboo and pain management and the latest techniques and procedures. I have been now for 3 days. I learned much and I'm still waiting to learn from him.
In the field of spinal canal stenosis, we have a lot of patents applied, we have a lot of patents granted. What does this mean? This means the technology which we will generate or which we will invent, we will be having we will be the beginners, and one who begins wins the game. It's like when MRI was invented, when CT scan was invented, when the procedures for complex spine procedures were invented. The country which invented them got the maximum benefit till the same research and same technology was spread all over the world. So in this case, we have patents. We have patents, almost 7 granted international patents and 54 patents are pending, which is a good number.
Yeah, Dr. Tramboo is the main focus here with his expertise. He's a world-renowned pain physician with all levels of expertise that he has.
If the procedure is new, if the technique is new, if the field is new, like interventional pain medicine, patients from all over the world are going to search for the place, irrespective of their political scenario, irrespective of the geographical conditions, irrespective of the geographical locations. They are going to come for the search of the treatment, and they will reach Kashmir as they are already coming. We had more than 200 international patients since last 2-3 years, and we can generate around thousands of patients who can come here for the same procedure to get benefit from the minimal invasive procedures, and they will be saved from the massive surgeries. And I hope, like, collectively we can, and individually I cannot.
He's one of the leaders of brain medicine, I can say worldwide, and that's why from where I heard about Dr. Tariq, mainly from my colleagues in Saudi Arabia.
Our research is based on the spinal diseases like spinal canal stenosis. What we do is we now do a procedure which takes only 10 minutes or 15 minutes to have the similar effect which a massive spinal surgery will have after 2 to 3 hours. And our procedure will not require any general anesthesia. It will be done in OPD as an OPD procedure, and the patients with severe spine disease can come and go home the next day. So for this, we have a huge market for patients all over the world. Doctors are coming from all over the world to watch it, to study about the research and to study about the new methods in pain medicine. And they are going back to their own countries, and they are applying the same thing in their own countries. I need a support for logistics. Like, as a doctor, I cannot arrange the accommodations, I cannot arrange the infrastructure, I cannot arrange their touristic activities which go hand in hand with medical tourism. Only thing what I can do is I can attract patients and doctors from all over the world to come to Kashmir, and they will love to do that. I need their visa facilitations. I need somebody in embassies that to encourage their visit instead of discouraging their visit. So if these things are taken care of, the rest I will take care of. Normally what we do is, for international doctors who come here for training, we use the mannequin. We use the mannequin, and which resembles the human. And you can see this is all mannequin spine, which is not an original spine. So we train the doctors on mannequin for the newer procedures, and we are waiting for FDA approvals for the newer procedures so that we can do it on the real patients. What we do is, this is an vertebral body, and this is intervertebral disc. This is the lamina, pedicle, lamina. And with our technique, what we do is, we cut this lamina from left and right using an epidural space, or we use a special introducer which goes over the wire and cuts the lamina from right and left, preserving the pedicles and releasing the pressure on the spinal cord. And this setup is only for training. We don't allow any international doctor to be when the real patient is there. We just do these procedures on mannequin and train them for the future new technologies.
Well, مرحبا كشمير.